Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating essentials. Make sure the Play Store and Google Play services are present and updated because they manage installs. Once done, check storage. You need at least 200 megabytes free to avoid partial downloads, and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile network so packets don't drop. Sign into the Google account that owns the app, otherwise purchases and subscriptions won't match. After these checks, open Play Store and navigate directly to the app page to begin the repair steps. You'll now tackle common middle causes. First, clear Play Store cache and storage, then force stop the app. A reboot removes stale processes that block installs. If the download fails, retry and note any error code. That code tells you whether it's a billing, network, or permission issue. Next, confirm the app supports your Android version and that background data is allowed. Some large installs require background downloads. Finally, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to rule out network DNS problems. Finish by resolving persistent faults. Uninstall Play Store updates and let it revert, then update again, or remove the problematic app and reinstall. If that doesn't work, reset app preferences to restore disabled permissions or remove and re-add your Google account to refresh licensing. Make sure you back up important data before any aggressive fix. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see recurring license or purchase errors, clear Google Play Services data and wait 5 minutes before retrying so server tokens can refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.